How's it going, class? It is absolutely great to be back in session, and I'm excited because in this session we're going to be discussing investing, and more specifically one of the biggest myths behind investing that has crushed more opportunities than not when it comes to the everyday investor like you and me. And while it ultimately means that we are coming closer and closer to our course's end of the building blocks of personal finance, I want you to know that I still remain incredibly excited for all of you because I know exactly how far each and every one of you has come by this point in time from class 1 to now. You are coming closer and closer to meeting your very own personal financial goals. So congratulations, but without further ado, let's get to this whole investing myth. Can I first get a drum roll, please, anywhere? That myth is in fact that investing is incredibly complicated and you should stay far, far away from investing because really investing is for, say, the stockbroker, the fund manager, or the financial advisor. Now, all of that is just absolutely absurd because the reality is investing is incredibly simple. And while it's not necessarily easy, it is incredibly simple. Now, that's all to say that investing is just not a get rich quick or get rich overnight type of deal. It does require some effort on your end, but as long as you keep to the Sesame Street simplicity of investing, I can guarantee that you too can become an actual successful investor. Which ultimately means that you're just going to be able to get to your financial goals much faster than if you were to just store all of your money at the bank in a regular savings account. It's also here that I want to go ahead and mention that many out there in the financial industry, those financial advisors, the stockbrokers, the fund managers, they all really want you to believe that investing is complicated. Because if they actually succeed and you believe that it is complicated, you're going to give your money to somebody else to invest for you, aka you're going to pay them for their services to invest your money. And now I'm just simply here to tell you, no need to actually do that because investing truly is incredibly simple as long as you do it the right way. By no means does this actually mean you need to become some sort of day trader watching the stock market every day, hours and hours on end. That is just the farthest thing from the truth. Now, what exactly does it mean to safely invest? If you find good long-term investments and you just continue to store your money within those investments, you're going to be just fine. In distilling the myth of investing being incredibly complicated, here in the building blocks of personal finance, we're just going to continue to keep it Sesame Street simple. In the next few videos, we're actually going to jump right into 401ks, IRAs, and of course the regular taxable investment accounts. So you get a great understanding of what they have the ability to do for you. And with that, just before we actually wrap up this session, I only want you to take away that investing is certainly not complicated as long as we keep it as simple gets and we make sure that you're investing the proper way. So with that being said, as for right now, class dismissed.